Subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon, to never miss a video from us. Hi everyone, in this video we will discuss on how you can prepare for Microsoft Azure Administrator Associate. Microsoft has created Azure AZ-104 Microsoft Azure Administration Certification for individuals who have hands-on skills to implement, manage and monitor the Microsoft Azure environment for an organization. So let's get started. Here you can see the list of topics we are going to cover in this video. We will start with the basic information required to begin your preparation, and then move on to the study materials and important topics which will help you in your preparation. There are several other reasons why taking this Azure examination is worth it. 1. Approves your technical capabilities on Microsoft Azure, such as networking, storage, security, computation, and other cloud procedures. 2. It is the world's highest paying information technology certificate. 3. It gives you worldwide recognition for your knowledge, skills, and expertise. 4. Numerous firms are always looking for someone who is familiar with Azure, AWS, Oracle Cloud, and Google Cloud Platform, who should take the exam. Microsoft Azure Administrator Associate exam has been built to facilitate candidates planning a career as Azure Administrator. Some of the important details listed for candidates planning to take this exam includes: 1. You should have a minimum of 6 months of hands-on experience administering Azure. 2. You should have a strong understanding of core Azure services, Azure workloads, security, and governance. 3. You should have experience in using PowerShell, the command line interface, Azure Portal, and ARM templates. Exam details. There could be 40 to 60 questions that could be MCQs or multi-response questions that you need to solve within 120 minutes. The passing score is set at 700 on a scale of 1000. The registration amount is $165 that you need to pay, and register online. Skills measured. Once a candidate passes either the AZ-103 or AZ-104 Microsoft Azure Administrator Certification exams, they will earn the Microsoft Certified Azure Administrator Associate certification. The Microsoft Certified Azure Administrator Associate exam is part of a role-based restructuring module of the Microsoft certifications. The primary objective of the certification is to assist candidates who are Azure administrators using Microsoft Azure in their daily job. Course outline. 1. Configuring and managing virtual networking, which comprises of 25 to 30% weightage in exam. 2. Deploying and managing Azure Compute Resources, which comprises of 20 to 25% weightage in exam. 3. Managing Azure Identities and Governance, which comprises of 15 to 20% weightage in exam. 4. Implementing and managing Storage, which comprises of 15 to 20% weightage in exam. 5. Monitoring and backing up Azure Resources, which comprises of 10 to 15% weightage in exam. Preparing for the exam. To prepare for an exam, the best way is to practice the skills for the exam. Get hands-on experience with the technology to successfully pass Microsoft certification exams. However, there are associated online courses, and instructor-led courses are intended to train the skills needed to be successful in the job role, a subset of which will be assessed on the exam. Other than the AZ-104 online course, candidates also need the support of the AZ-104 practice exam. Since the AZ-104 exam is currently in the beta stage, it is difficult to find reliable learning resources. AZ-104 practice exams will be really helpful for the candidates to overcome their fears of attempting a new exam. The practice exam will help candidates familiarize themselves with the topics in the exam, format of the exam, and the environment of the exam. Candidates could become more comfortable in sitting for the actual exam by practicing time management. In addition, candidates can also come up with unique strategies to answer questions in the exam by regularly giving practice tests. The practice exams also help candidates get a clear impression of their strengths and weaknesses. For more such videos, subscribe to our channel.